Hi! Hello everyone! Magandang oras po sa inyong lahat. Saan man kayo sulok ng mundo, ay magandang oras po sa inyong lahat. Meron akong apple. What are the benefits of eating red apples? Red delicious apples may be the healthiest variety of apple. Its dark red skin contains more antioxidants. But all apples are loaded with nutrients, including antioxidants. So apple peels are rich in antioxidants. Okay? So what are the benefits of red apples? Okay? Diabetes, heart health, digestive health, lowers cholesterol, weight loss. Apples boost immunity, cancer prevention. Apples defend against certain cancers, bone health, weight management, antioxidants. Apples are nutritious, brain food, dietary fiber, improving immunity, skin health. Apples could help fight asthma, avoid Alzheimer's, boost microbiome. Okay? Apples can help manage diabetes, chronic diseases, or dyslexia, curb all sorts of cancers, detoxify your liver, and eases inflammation. So, ito po ang mga benefits ng red apples. So, thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!